How to create smiley on MS Word without using mouse. You can create a smiley with keyboard also. Just use colon and closing braces. This will make a smiley just like that. Another, if we use colon and opening braces, then another smiley will become sad smiley. And if we use colon and vertical bar, then another type of smiley will be made, this one. Also we can draw smileys through menus, but this is the way through which we can create smiley with keyboard. First with closing, with the opening brace, and another with the vertical brace.